This video today we're talking about char cloth. You can do them in any sort of tin you like. We've got a paint tin and a survival tin. All you need to do is make a hole in the top of each, and inside you fill it with material. Now in this case it's 100% cotton, old t-shirt, that will do. Out in the wilds, if you're unfortunate enough not to have cotton to hand, you can always use punkwood. Now punkwood is basically just old, damp, rotten wood which has been laying on the forest floor, okay? Sometimes if you're fortunate enough you can find it hanging up in the dry, okay? You can use that instead of this if you haven't got access to it. So let's get a fire going, put these two on there and see what happens. Now what you need to look for is once these are on there, you're going to see smoke and flame coming from the holes of the tins, okay? When that smoke and fire stops, remove them from the fire and let it cool down naturally, okay? Don't be tempted to open the tin because oxygen will get in there and ignite everything. Let it cool down, then open it, and then we'll see what's inside. So now this is cooled down nicely, and you do have to leave it a while to cool down, okay? It doesn't take too long. Once the flames stop coming out of the hole there, the whole process, it probably took around 5 minutes. It doesn't take long. So we're gonna open her up, and that is what you see inside there. All charred, as you can see. Now the beauty of this, because this is 100% cotton and it's a thin t-shirt, it makes it very easy to light, and we're going to show you that now with a ferro rod. But there's our char cloth, there's our ferro rod. That's all it takes. Now you place that into some pre-prepared, extremely dry tinder, and you add oxygen, you will get fire. So it's worth knowing little skills like this just to give you a fighting chance out in the wilds. And as you can see, that's glowing very nicely there. Again, you can see that glowing on there. So punkwood is an excellent piece of kit. You're going to find it all over the woods here in the UK. You don't need a t-shirt. This will do just fine. Again, just drop it into your bird's nest, your tinder bundle, and you're good to go. Just add oxygen. Thanks very much for watching the video. If you want to find out more information, there's links below the video about the courses that we do as regards firelighting like this one. Thanks for watching. Stay funky.